Hello students, welcome to Smart World, our school of education. Let's start reading Civics chapter for urban local government bodies. 4.1 The Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council, the municipal corporation. In the previous chapter, we have studied the nature of local government bodies in the rural areas. In this chapter, we will learn something about the local government institution in the urban areas. These include the Nagar Panchayat, the municipal council, and the municipal corporation. Our country has a large number of towns and cities, and they are growing rapidly. Villages are growing into towns, towns into cities, and cities into metropolises. The rural areas neighboring cities are also getting transformed. 4.1 Nagar Panchayat. The villages that are in the process of becoming towns have a Nagar Panchayat. We see some areas which are neither fully rural nor fully urban. In such areas, the local government body is the Nagar Panchayat. As with other local bodies, elections to the Nagar Panchayat are held every 5 years. The elected members choose a president and a vice president from among themselves. All local government bodies have to carry out some essential function. What, according to you, are the essential functions of a Nagar Panchayat? Let's discuss what are the main problems that cities face. Reshma had spent a wonderful yearly vacation with her relatives in a city. However, she began to think about some of her experiences. Think along with Reshma about these incidents and write your thoughts in 2 paragraphs. The siren of ambulance sounded loud and clear, but there was no freeway on the road. As a result of decision to cut the water supply, this was a great crowd at the water supply tankers. Efforts were being made to provide facilities to senior citizens and small children in the parks. Facilities and problems in cities. Opportunities for industry and business. Expanding service sector. Large scale opportunity for job. Availability for facilities for entertainment, art, culture, etc. Storage of housing, insufficient space, traffic congestion, problem of disposal of waste, increasing crime, a large portion of population in slums. 4.2 The Municipal Council. The Municipal Council is the local government body for small cities. Elections to the council are held every 5 years. The elected representatives function as councillors. As per the recent changes in the Act relating to municipal council, the president is elected directly by the people. There is a provision to hold the election of president simultaneously with the general election of the council. The president of the municipal council is the chairman of all its meetings. He controls the working of the council and keeps a watch on the financial administration of the council. In the absence of the president, the vice president looks after the work of the council. There are some functions that are building on the council. They are known as obligatory functions. For example, lighting of public streets, providing drinking water, public hygiene, sewage disposal, registration of birth or death or marriage, etc. Municipal council also tries to provide additional facilities to people, and these functions are known as discriminatory discretionary function. Planning new public roads and acquiring the necessary land, improving the condition of slums, creating public gardens and parks, providing secure shelter for cattle are some of the discretionary functions of the municipal council. Do you know? For every municipal council, there is a chief officer. He implements the decision taken by municipal council. There are several officers who assist him. Would you like to become such an officer? If you become a health officer, what function would you perform? Sources of revenue of municipal council: property tax, education tax, water tax, tax on markets, grant from state government. What would you do when you hand over your household waste to the waste pickers? The road is waterlogged as the water pipe has broken. You notice that unclean, impure water is being used for pani puris. Many people are throwing plastic bags from the bridge into the river. The municipal council program to clean the slum areas has been published in the newspaper. But you think that one for planned action is improper. Appeal from municipal council calling all citizens to take the following measures to stop breeding of mosquitoes and curb the spread of dengue. Do not stack old tires, coconut shells, empty cans or boxes on your terrace or around your house. In case of persistent fever, go to a doctor without delay. Keep your surroundings clean. In response to the above, what would you do in your house and in the surroundings? Municipal corporation. The local body has provides different services to the people in big cities is called municipal corporation. The first municipal corporation in Maharashtra was established at Mumbai. Find out in how many cities of Maharashtra state government is administration carried out through corporation. In which year was the municipal corporation of your city established? The total number of members of the municipal corporation is determined so as to be in proportion to the population of city. The election to the corporation are held every 5 years. The elected members are known as the corporators. They elect a mayor and a deputy mayor from among themselves. The mayor is considered to be first citizen of the city. He presides over all the meeting of the corporation. Many important issues regarding the city are discussed, and the decision regarding the development of city are made in the general body meeting of the corporation. According to the changes introduced in the election process of the municipal corporation, multi-member wards are created. From each ward, not less than 3 and not more than 5 members are elected. The voter can cast as many votes as the number of members to be elected from the ward. Thus, a voter can cast 4 votes if 4 members are to be elected from the ward. The committees of the corporation. The corporation carries out its work through different committees. Some of the important committees are Education Committee, Health Committee, Transport Committee, etc. Administration of the corporation. The municipal commissioner is the head of the administration of the corporation. He is responsible for implementing decisions taken by the corporation. For example, if a corporation takes the decision of putting a ban on the use of plastic bag, then the actual implementation of this policy is done by the commissioner. He also prepares the annual budget of the corporation and remains present for the general body meeting. Try this. Form an educational committee for your class. Committee should have an equal number of boys and girls as representatives. They should discuss following issues and prepare a report. Facilities in the classroom. A proposal for setting up a small library for the class. Organizing a sports competition. Do you know the proportion of women in the total population is nearly half? Yet, a very few women are seen to take part in the working of the government. Women handle issues like food, energy, water every day as a part of their daily routine, but they had no say in the decision regarding these issues. A woman take care of the water in the house, but she did not participate in the dealing with water issue. With 50% reservation of women in the local bodies, they now have got an opportunity to resolve important issues. From the list given below, identify the functions of the corporation and make a list. Water supply, providing electricity for street, registration of birth, death, marriage, elementary education, police, fire brigade, permission for construction, deciding the railway timetable, demolition of unauthorized construction, provide information about dangerous building, public transport in cities, protection of environment, protecting the boundaries of the country, collection of taxes, sources of revenue of corporation, house tax, property tax, water tax, provision tax, entertainment tax, rising loans, state government grants. What did you feel on reading this? The metro will soon run in your city. Permission has been given for the construction of 24-story building. Gardens and leisure centers will be established in every ward. Action will be taken against those who use purified water to water the gardens or to wash their cars. It has been made compulsory to dispose of wet garbage within one's locality. Old age homes will be constructed for the benefit of senior citizens. Why did the corporation do it? The corporation has refused permission for any construction work that would require cutting down of trees. It has implemented many programs to control the spread of diseases like dengue, swine flu, etc. Modernization the fire brigade, inspecting the weighing scales in the vegetable market. Do this. Find out the hospitals run by municipal council or corporation in your area. What facilities are offered by the patient there? What is the person required to be if she or he wants to take treatment there? Local government bodies, urban, Nagar Panchayat, council, municipal corporation. Strength of members, minimum 9, maximum 15, minimum 17, maximum 13. Total number of members is proportionate to population. Office bearers, president, vice president, president, vice president, major, deputy major. Officials, executive officer, chief officer, commissioner. Do you know what is meant by reservation? Why it is necessary? Out of the total number of seats to which people elect their representative in the Gram Panchayat, Panchayat Samiti and Jilla Parishad, Municipal Council and Municipal Corporation, some seats are reserved for members of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and backward class of citizens. Only members from that specific category can be elected to the reserved seat. This is known as reservation of seat. Also, out of total number of seats, half of the seats are reserved from women. Reservation is necessary as it allows the deprived section of the society and women to take part in the working of villages and cities and to participate in the decision making process. In democracy, it is important that all the people get the opportunity to participate in all the processes. Choose the right option and fill in the blank. The first city in Maharashtra to have municipal corporation. Nagar Mumbai Latur. The body that looks after the administration of places that are in the process of becoming cities. Municipal Council, Municipal Corporation, Nagar Panchayat. The office bearer who supervises the work of the Municipal Council. Chief Officer, Executive Officer, Commissioner. Answer in brief. What problems do people face in cities? Name the various committees of the municipal corporation. Make a chart giving information about the urban local government bodies according to the points given below. Points office bearers, numbers of members, officers. Nagar Panchayat, Municipal Council, Municipal Corporation. Can you tell which are the essential functions of the municipal council? Where does the Nagar Panchayat function? Make different lists of places in your district according to whether they have a Nagar Panchayat, municipal council, or a municipal corporation. activities. Make your own health awareness slogan to help prevent spread of infectious diseases and display them in your classroom. Visit the municipal corporation nearest to you and find out which new schemes have been taken up. Discuss in class what you could do to contribute to them. I hope you got this chapter. Thank you so much.